Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to plan your project with resources. In the Resources panel, all resources are listed. The resource name can be generic, like in this example, or the actual name of a person. Each resource has a type associated. The default type is Work. The Capacity panel shows the allocation of each work resource over time. Overallocation is shown in red. A resource can be assigned to one or more tasks, which is highlighted when you select a resource. In the Details panel, you can select the next resource. You can restrict the visible tasks by using a filter. The other way around, when you select a task, you see all assigned resources highlighted. We create an assignment for a new task by first entering the description of the task. Then we enter a resource name in the Resources column, followed by the assigned quantity if not one. If the resource has an abbreviation, this will replace the full name. The full name is visible in the task details. A faster way to assign resources is using the mouse. Select a task and click with the Control key pressed on the required resource. Work, duration, and resources form a dependency. If one of them changes, one of the other two is kept constant. Resources are kept constant by default. When we add 48 work hours to the demo task, the duration with 1.5 resources is 32 hours or 4 days. To calculate project cost, we first add the hourly rate per resource. The cost for a resource is calculated from the total number of hours. The cost is also calculated per assigned task. When you click on the project file name, you will see the project properties with the total work and cost. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.